Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn how to draw closed eye with graphite pencils. Here I am using Brewster's graphite pencils, so please observe what I am doing, what my hands are doing, and at what time I'm blending and how I'm creating the tones. Just you need to observe that. First I had used tissue paper, and now at later stage I'm mostly using the brush. This white color pencil is not a color pencil, it's an eraser. It's my Faber-Castell's pencil eraser. It becomes very important for you if you don't have Tombow Zero eraser, which is a trend I think. But instead of that, pencil eraser can be very good at the beginning stage, though it is महंगा वाला, पर टोम्बो से तो सस्ता ही है. Even I haven't bought Tombow because it's too high in price. That's why I'll plan someday later. Now you just follow the grades which are displaying in the video. You'll achieve the same results with it. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please I request you to subscribe to the channel for future videos, because lots and lots of tutorials are in the queue. So if you found this video helpful, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel.